Hi guys, in today's video we will see how to create TikTok pixel. For this, first go to your TikTok business center, then click on assets. Now click on add a pixel, then select create new pixel, click on next. Now here you can give the link to your website or you can skip this. Then click on manual setup, next. There are three options here: TikTok pixel plus event API, TikTok pixel, events API. I select TikTok pixel and events API, then click on next. Now I will give the pixel name. Okay, I give a name, click on create. Here we will be given the code that will need to be connected to the website. I will show you in another video how we will connect the pixel to the website. Click on next. Now enable this option, click on next. Okay, next. Again click on next. Next. Here is my pixel ID and access token. We will need this pixel ID and token when connecting the pixel to the website. Now I just click on the next, then click on finish. Look, my TikTok pixel has been created. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.